warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yorkville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. A 64 miles per hour wind gust was measured in Plano. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles and Woodridge, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 249 and 282. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 148. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 19. Interstate 355 between mile markers 130. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, University of St. Francis, Benedictine University, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Moraine Valley Community College, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K West 030.